I am super excited about this collaboration. So just in terms of event details, it's on May 22nd, from 6 to 8 p.m. at the Woburn Public Library, and it will be hosted in collaboration, as you mentioned, with SEI and the Network for Social Justice. It's our third multi-generational workshop on AI, this time with an emphasis on mental health, especially youth mental health, companionship, what friendship and companionship means, and how technology influences that, as well as digital inclusion. And we hope that through activities and discussions, we can explore themes around advances in AI, biases and stereotypes, synthetic content and its potential impact, as well as trust and how all of this will influence our social interactions and mental health as well. So I think the structure that has worked well for us is to have a brief sort of introduction around artificial intelligence to help level the playing field, because our audience typically hails from different sectors and there's a very diverse level of familiarity about the technology, followed by a little breakout session where everyone gets an exposure to some of the platforms and what can be created using these platforms, the good and the bad. And we try to make this fun and engaging by having activities and games that focus on discerning between what is real and what is synthetic content. And that often provides a nice segue into why it matters. And this time, because we will have a cross-generational audience, we're hoping to hear stories from the older individuals of what it meant to grow up in a world where technology was perhaps not as much of a focus as it is today. To also have conversations around why, as a community, we need to also exercise our civic responsibility, and why our voices matter in shaping this technology, especially around the data sets that are being fed into it and how that can skew the output. In many ways, AI has been likened to a mirror of human society, but I think it has the potential to further exacerbate those biases, and that's where we need to really engage in shaping that outcome.